Are you wondering how to write a great cause and effect essay? It's easy if you follow the right steps. Start with the formula A causes B, where A and B are distinguishable events, people, conditions, or phenomena. The goal of a cause and effect essay is to demonstrate that a particular event follows from a particular cause. Use common sense. If the ground begins to shake, we know that such an event requires considerable force to occur, so we will look for an earthquake or some other cataclysmic event. We wouldn't seriously entertain the idea that a fallen book or a cat is causing the earth to shake. Fireworks are a good example of cause and effect. The cause is lighting the fuse, and the effects of lighting that fuse are the lights and sounds of the firework. Before writing your essay, analyze the four causes: material cause, formal cause, efficient cause, and final cause. Aristotle believed that almost every effect came from one of these causes. Don't use biases or fallacies. Do use common sense. Don't argue for non-causality or weak causality. Do explore other causes to determine if it's a primary or secondary cause.